I was looking for different solutions to do more STEM related projects, and then I came across the company Makers Redbox, and they provide lesson plans and everything already combining STEAM education. So there's some maths in there, there's a laser cutter, there's the 3D printers, and they all combined it into one project, and they also help and guide, and that was something that I was really looking forward to trying out and implementing in the curriculum. We're an IB school, and the students that were doing the project are in MIP 3. And for MIP, we have to have inquiry-based workshops and lessons. It leans very closely to design technology, which we look at the design cycle, where we go from a problem to developing an idea to creating the idea and then also evaluating. So during this project, we also automatically use that cycle, that hands-on and really personal connection in helping and supporting the teacher was something I never saw in any other company that gives and has STEM projects, and so that's something that really stands out here. So they helped me with that research part, a bit like a design technician would do, that I didn't have to do, and I could really focus on just the project and getting it going. That's something I was very surprised and also very proud of with my group, is how well they worked together and how well it just came together, and they were really in it with the story that was told around this, like why are we doing this and what is the purpose of this. So this really had like a big reason to work together, and often I would be like, here's the mayor who is a student, you are in charge of this discussion, and I would just sit at the side and actually be completely out of it, and I would just see how they take lead and they make their project their own. Like my input was very, very minimal, and that was very nice to see how the students just took this project and ran with it and just like created it their own.